Everybody, it's me, Timmy Flyers Guy, here with your Flyers Pregame Report. Today, the Philadelphia Flyers will take on the Tampa Bay Lightning, one of the best teams in the Eastern Conference. When we last left off, the Philadelphia Flyers beat the Washington Capitals 3-1 to take the second seed ranking in the playoff standings. Today, the Flyers have a chance to get the first place seed ranking, but it's not going to be easy as they take on an offensive powerhouse. The Tampa Bay Lightning have had the Flyers' number this year, but maybe that will change. When we last left off, the Flyers beat the Washington Capitals 3-1. In that game, the Flyers were 0-6 on the power play. In my opinion, the best way to beat the Tampa Bay Lightning would be to utilize two of their top players, Claude Giroux and Sean Terry. But there is some news. JVR will be back today, right from Flyers, and he will be in the lineup. Jake Voracek will not be in the lineup for that game. Carter Hart will get the start in that Elliott played in the last game. And another thing, the way to beat Tampa Bay and the best way to get this power play going will be to have Shane Gostisbehere back. Shane Gostisbehere will play tomorrow. In my opinion, Shane Gostisbehere does a lot to make the power play happen. And I think once the Flyers get the power play going, I think that they will have a better chance against Tampa today. Let's go, Flyers!